Guys, welcome to my new video. I am Abhishek. In this video I am going to show you an app called Face app, which is available in Play Store for free. So go and search it down on the search bar. Okay, when it is on, we want to click install, so that we want to accept the terms and conditions and we want to download it now. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, it had completed downloading and it's installing. Okay, it's installed. We want to open the app now. This is the interface of the app when it starts. Nice interface. Okay, now we want to click all photos for getting our new photos. Okay, select the photos you want to edit. Click only one photo. So I am searching for the photo that I want to edit. Okay, wait. Okay, I have found one. It's none other than our Stony Shark. Okay, I am going to open his photo. It's processing. Wait till it processes. Okay, now it's open. There are many presets such as original, smile, old, young, etc. This preset will make your photo smile, old, and many other funny things like the presets. Okay, now it's old. Look at him. What is funny? Young. Oh man, he's so handsome. There is so many ads in this because it's a free app. So click no thanks. Okay. This photo is only available when it is in collage mode only. When we click collage, we can go to it and we can create collage. We cannot create an individual copy of it. So we want to go to and add collage. And no, I am not doing this now because I don't want collage. Okay, you can do it if you want so. There are many options such as female, male, makeup, etc. This is a very good app to prank your friends. Okay, go and download it. It's very free to use. I will show how to save a photo. Okay, I am going to click that is alt or smile or original. I am going to click that smile. Okay, you want to click that download button which is on the top end corner. Okay, it has been saved successfully. Okay, you can also share to other platforms by clicking that three dot button. Okay, click next to continue. Okay, the pop-up below will appear and we can share it to many platforms as we want. Okay, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to press that subscribe button and hit the bell icon near it so that you will get notifications about my video when I upload it. Thumbs up.